and welcome back to another haul video. So this one is a ColourPop haul, and this one was absolutely non-negotiable, even though I am kind of trying to let my wallet recover, but non-negotiable. ColourPop did a Snow White collection. Therefore, I had to, okay? I have long said the entire time that I have bought things from ColourPop, if they ever did Snow White, Lady and the Tramp, or Aristocats, any of those three, it would be a shut up and take my money moment, and here we fucking are. So, just saying. But oh my god, I had no chill. I wanted to look at everything first, and now I really would. Of all the times for me not to keep everything pristine and untouched until I film it, I feel like the genuine reactions to everything would have been so much better if I had just filmed it that way, because I was literally squealing and jumping around the kitchen showing everything to my mom because I was so fucking excited over it. So I mean, I don't know that this is gonna really recapture that accurately, but I'm gonna show it all to you anyway because I just, oh my god, I'm so excited that this is a thing that exists. So the first thing in here is kind of like the main piece, but it is the Dreams Come True palette, and even this box I'm probably gonna keep. I'll store it in here, but like the little woodland creatures on the back and everything, just everything about this I love so damn much. So the color names are Spellbreaker, With a Smile, Ever After, Such Grace, Someday, True Love, My Prince, Carried Away, In the Land, Charmed, Just One Kiss, and Far Away. Some of these names I feel like they could have tried a little more with, but that's okay. I'm not even mad. I'm not even mad. I'm just happy it exists. So let's look at the actual, oh my god, I'm so stupid. I opened it and I actually started crying at just how perfect it is when I first laid eyes on this. That, like I said, I really truly should have been filming. Of all the times for me not to film, the time that would have been the reaction we all should have seen. But anyway, so, and then the back of it looks like that. So. But the inside of it. Okay, so I'm still fangirling even now. Alright, okay. So we have this up top instead of a mirror. And honestly, I'm so much happier to have this anyway. Deadass, even if I use all of this up, I'm keeping this for the packaging. Just saying. So, that's on the top. And then on the bottom, we have the colors with little mushrooms and flowers in between. But yeah, let me actually take that off so you can get a better view of the colors. They're so pretty. Oh my god, these are going to be so fun to play with. I mean, I wish these two shades were a little more different than they are. Yeah, the one's a bit darker, but I mean, they're pretty close. Just saying, they're pretty similar. They could have gone a little further different, but that's okay. Again, I'm not even mad at it, but oh my god, just the fact that this exists. I've said for so many years, one needed to exist. And I just noticed just now, even more detailing, in the hair, the light caught it just now. It's slightly, yeah, you can see it. Like this, you don't even see. But then the light catches, oh, there's even more detailing here than I realized. Holy shit. This is just every level of incredible. Oh my god, I love it so much. BT Dubs, they should also do a Beauty and the Beast collection. If they did one of those, I would also do a shut up and take my money moment. Anyway. Let's be real. Beauty and the Beast, Little Mermaid, and Lion King, all of those would also part me for my money just as fast as Lady and the Tramp and Aristocrats. So. Not that I'm throwing ideas out there or anything, but. So then, we have the Love's First Kiss lip kit. We have Snow White Creme Luxe Lipstick, Such a Beauty Lippy Pencil, and Red as Rose Luxe Lip Gloss. So here is the box, which I am most definitely keeping. Even after the stuff is out of it, I'm keeping the box. I know, I'm being that bitch. I don't care. I don't care. For the theming, I'm keeping it. So here is what the lipstick bullet looks like. And the color Has little apples imprinted down the sides. Like, I almost feel guilty about using it, but bro, it's meant to be used. But okay, it just smells like vanilla on this one. There's some pieces of this collection that deadass smell like apple, and I am so stupidly happy over that. This might be one of them. So here's our Luxe lip gloss. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. This might be one of the ones that's apple, actually, if I'm remembering right. Yep. Oh, God, that smells good. Like, oh my gosh. Probably not a coincidence that Snow White was my favorite of the princesses, and apple for the longest time was my favorite fruit. Just throwing it out there. Probably not coincidental. And here is our lippy pencil. I'm gonna be very careful taking the cap off. I don't want to gouge it. Okay. So it looks like that's literally like the same color as the barrel, just about. Okay, that one doesn't have a scent. I wasn't sure. I didn't think it would, but figured I'd check. So there's that. Go on back in. Come on. You can do it. There it is. Okay. So there's that. The piece de resistance. This is why there's no mirror in that. Because the magic mirror is a thing. Also keep in the box to this. Make a wish and unlock the magic is what it says on the back. So, okay, yeah, I opened from this end. But it's so effing cool, guys. Like, this reminds me of the Beauty and the Beast mirror I had as a kid. I wish I still had it. I do not, but I have this now, which is frankly even better. It literally has the face on it, which, okay, you're thinking, yeah, but how do you use it? I'll show you. Isn't there a tab on this somewhere? I feel like there was a tab. Yeah. In this little corner, you can lift it up and peel that off. It's literally just a film cling, but being film, you can also stick it right back on like a color form. So you can use it as a normal mirror, or you can have it have the magic mirror face on it, which is like the whole point. Just saying. Just saying. So if you want to use it as a mirror, you can. But if you want the theming, keep that. Keep that. And then on the back of it, there we go. Very, very cool. Yeah. I love that. I was like, man, they went all out, and I am so here for it. Absolutely living for it. So, just keep it safe. We'll put that back in here for now. Oop. Come on. Okay. Try to not jack up the box while I'm at it. Oh my goodness. Just kind of fold it over, tap around it, something like that. So then, there's also Thy Magic Spell lip kit with the Evil Queen and the Poison Apple. So the colors are Evil Queen, Creme Luxe Lipstick, Jealous Match, Lippy Pencil, and Queen G Luxe Lip Gloss. So these have a purple aesthetic to them. So we have the Evil Queen lipstick. And it's like this gorgeous purple, kind of on the nose with the color of the barrel, but I don't care. And it also has the apples on it. We've got, does it have any? Yeah, the Queen G Luxe Lip Gloss, which, isn't this pretty freaking close to the one from the Bambi collection for Flower that I just reviewed? Looks pretty close to me, but this one smells like apples, so, you know, it's better. And, you know, it's Snow White, so automatically better. Oh, God, I am not over that scent. It's so good. It's so good. Okay, it does not want to screw back on. That's not a good sign. Tell me I did not bust it Okay, so the stopper definitely came off on the wand. That's fun. Don't know what I'm supposed to do about that now. Oh shit. I'm trying to see if I can. Okay, I got it. If you like push down really hard, it should stay on there now. Did it? Yes, okay. We're fine. Okay. So we have that. And then the lippy pencil. The jelly smudge. Looks like that. So a pretty deep one. Okay. Let's pop those all back in that box now. Safekeeping for the time being. Come on, go back in. See, that time it went right back in, whereas in the other one it was like, ha, no. Okay. So we've got that. We also have, and this is so clever, Just One Bite Lippy Scrub. And it's the poison apple, and those are the cutouts on it. You can see the inside, like, oh my gosh. But then over here, look at the cleverness. Like, we went from this, the traditional poison apple. They've reimagined it to have Snow White with the apple. That's so genius. I was like, oh wow. That, like, I have goosebumps again looking at it now. Like, it's so perfect. Holy shit. But it's literally a little apple. I cannot. It's so perfect. It's so perfect. It totally reminds me of the little Tony Molies. But yeah, like, it's got the Just One Bite on it. And of course, it too smells like apple. It's actually a different apple, but yeah, so it's just like a lip scrub in there, but oh, that is so cool. Like, even when I use this up, I'm most definitely keeping the packaging, like, bro. And then, wait, there's more. We have the Super Shock Blush in Fair Enough, which is funny given how dark the color is for a blush. It's literally, like red. I'm like, bro, how am I gonna wear that as a blush, honey? Like that's pretty dark. I mean, I feel like what I have on is pretty dark for me, but this is like red. Like, I'll play with it, but I don't know about that one. But still, it was part of the collection. Had to have it. Now I have it. So good. And it also has that cool Snow White silhouette in there too. So there's that. Come on. And there's another one in I Wish. And this one is more of a corally color. That one's probably going to be more wearable for me. I like the little fleur-de-lis around the border on here. And I like this like baby blue. But yeah, look at this one. That's probably closer to what I have on today, actually. So that one should be a winner, hopefully. And then finally, the last item is one more of these blushes. But it's the darkest. And it makes me nervous. It's called Just Rosy, but I would say this is beyond rosy. This is full on crimson, like maroon, like, guys, like, how? Like, Snow White is like the palest of the pale princesses. Why is this blush this dark? Like, my god, this is pretty intense. I will, like, probably do, like, the thinnest baby layer of it and try to, like, sheer it out, because I think it's gonna be the only way I can make this work, but that one makes me nervous for how dark it is. But still, again, I bought the whole collection. I was not going to miss any of it. So, anyway. So there it all is. I am so stoked to have this, and that it just is a thing that exists in the world. I'm a happy camper. So, anyway. that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddit, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.